Hi kids, I'm Teacher Jillian, but you can call me Teacher Jill. Today, I'm going to share something interesting about subdivision of division of Trichophyta. But before we start, I have a question. What is a Trichophyta? Trichophyta is a scientific name for the group of plants commonly known as a vascular plants. So, ang Trichophyta daw ito tinatawag din vascular plants. Ito ay isang malaking grupo ng mga halaman at ito ay may mga daluyan o nagdadala ng tubig mula sa ugat at pagkain at sustansya sa buong katawan ng mga halaman. At ito ay may ugat, tangkay at dahon. The next is Psilopsida. It means with ferns, a taxonomic class of primitive vascular plants known as whisk ferns. Ang Psilopsida naman na ito ay isang uri ng sinaunang vascular plants. Ito ay walang totoong ugat at dahon na hindi katulad sa Trichophyta na may ugat at dahon. Pero ang Psilopsida ay may mga tangkay na gumagawa ng pagkain sa pamamagitan ng liwanag ng araw, tubig at hangin at karaniwan silang tumutubo sa basang lugar at lumang puno. The next is Lycopsida. It means club mosses, a class of ancient vascular plants that includes the club mosses, spike mosses, and quillworts. Though some are referred to as a mosses, they are not true mosses, which are non-vascular plants. Ang Lycopsida naman or tinatawag na club mosses, ito ay mga lumang halaman, kabilang siya kay Trichophyta na may mga halamang may ugat at tangkay at dahon. May vascular system, nanganganak sa pamamagitan ng spores at may maliit na halaman at matatagpuan sa basang lugar at kagubatan. The next is Sphenopsida, which is horsetails. All living horsetails are in the genus Equisetum, which is the last surviving genus of the class Sphenopsida. Ang Sphenopsida or tinatawag na horsetails, may halamang tangkay na guhit at may maliit na dahon at may anyong parang buntot na kabayo at nanganganak sa pamamagitan ng spores at matatagpuan sa dulo ng kanilang tangkay. The next is Pteropsida, which is ferns. Is an outdated term from older botanical classification that refer to a group of vascular plants, commonly known as ferns. While no longer used in modern genetics-based taxonomy, the term is still useful for understanding the common characteristic of ferns. Ang Pteropsida ferns, ito naman ay sa ilalim ng dahon. May mga spores, cases na naglalaman ng mga spores para sa pagdami at nanganganak sa pamamagitan ng spores. Hindi sa buto, tulad ng ibang vascular plants, meron silang xylem at phloem na nagdadala ng tubig at pagkain sa buong halaman. Hindi sila namumulaklak o namumunga. The next is Spermopsida, which is seed plants. This class comprises all the seeds, plants, seed through flowers or cones. The next is Spermopsida, which is Spermatophyta, and genus Spermatophyta, which is genus Sperm. The next is Angiospermatophyta, which is Angiosperms. Genus Spermatophyta and Angiospermatophyta are together compose the class Spermopsida seed plants. And next, genus Sperm literally means naked seed. As genus Sperm ovules, seed are not enclosed within an ovary. And the word Angiosperms means covered seed, as they enclose their ovule seed within an ovary. And conifers, cycads, ginkgo, and nitophytes, they produce naked seeds. And fruits trees, including mango, apple, banana, peach, orange, they produce seed within fruits. Okay, kids, do you want to see genus Sperm plants? Okay, let's go! Kids, are you done? Okay, let's move on the topic. A group of genus Sperm, Conifophyta, the largest and the most Widespread, a phylum of genus Ferns, a group of vascular seed-bearing plants. Ang Coniferae daw ay isang subdivision ng genus Fern. Kabilang dito ang mga puno na may halamang cones, bunga na parang fine cones, at ang kanilang buto ay nasa loob ng cones na maaaring male cone, paggawa ng fallen o female cone. May buto pero hindi nakapaloob sa prutas, kaya kabilang siya sa mga genus Ferns. And Cycadophyta, a division of Asian seed plants. Commonly known as cycads, this genus Fern have a long fossil history and earnings them the nickname living fossils. Ito naman ay mga lumang uri ng halaman na kahawig na Phallma tree. Pero hindi talaga Phallma, mayroon silang makakapal at matitigas na dahon na parang dahon ng Phallmera at malaking cone o mga bunga kung saan naroon ang mga buto. And Ginkgophyta is a division of genus Fern containing only one living species, the maidenhair tree. Ito naman isang uri ng puno na halos nawala na ngayon at isa na lang nabubuhay sa uri ng Ginkgo biloba at ito ay tinatawag ding living fossil dahil milyon-milyong taon na itong nabubuhay at halos nagbago ang itsura nito at isang uri na parang pamaypay. The last of group genus Fern, Gnetophyta, group of seed plants that includes various fossil forms, characterized by unique reproductive structures such as ovulate, stropholi, and distinct pollen types. Ang Gnetophyta daw ay kakaibang halaman. Sila ay may mga katangiang kahawig na mga namumulaklak na halaman. Iba-iba ang mga anyo ng mga ito. May parang puno, may mga parang baging, at may parang halaman sa disyerto. Pero lahat sila ay namumunga sa buto at walang prutas.